Hello, Dolphin Cooling. This is Sisco from Amplify Digital Marketing. I spoke with Nikki earlier. Actually, I spoke with her 2 days ago, and I promised that I would send out this video just giving you guys some tips and tricks as far as what you can be doing to outbeat your competition online and just be able to generate more traffic for your location and your business, more growth. So I'm going to jump right to it. Some of the things that I'm looking for right away, guys, is I'm looking at your content. Do you have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content? The reason being is because that allows you to be optimized with Google. And then the second thing I'm looking for is I'm looking for keywords. And a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. For example, AC repair in Naples, Florida. That's just one example, since you do AC repair. And the reason why is because you want those keywords to be placed throughout your website because you want to tell Google exactly what terms or what keywords you want to be found for. Okay, now let's jump over to this tab here. This is a tool called Ahrefs. It helps me understand how well your website's performing. So let's jump over to this section. So this section helps me understand, one, how strong your website's performing. And this is what this section is here, the circle here. This tells me how strong your website's performing and how authoritative it is. This score here, 4.4, helps me understand your trust flow, how trustworthy your site is. And then this is your backlinks, okay? And then you have 42 referring domains. Now, these things here, these backlinks, these contribute to these scores, one of many things. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text, okay? These links act like an endorsement for your website, and it builds trust with Google. However, not all backlinks are created equal. So it's worth noting that you want to get relevant links within your industry, or versus getting, for example, a link from your local pizzeria. It could actually hinder your overall scores because you're not in the food industry. The last thing I want to talk about is the organic keywords. The reason being is because, remember what I mentioned, I'm looking for buyer intent keywords. I'm looking for keywords that people would be looking for on Google for your services. And for example, let's look at this one. Air conditioner repair, Naples, Florida. This is a good one because, one, air conditioner repair, anytime anybody searches for this, they know exactly what they're needing for. Okay? And you're going to get those people that need your support, that need your service. And then Naples, Florida, because you know right away that these people that are searching for this, they're in the Naples, Florida area. Okay, so those type of keywords is what you want to be ranking for or being indexed for. Now, let's see what your competitors are doing. I took Brett and what is that? Sons Incorporated. The reason, and I'm going to explain why I chose these guys as your competitors, but I'm looking at the same thing. I'm looking at their content. I'm looking at their keywords. Okay, so this is super important as far as looking for those things. So let's see how well they're performing. Okay, they're currently, their strength is 26 and their trust flow is 14. They have 333 backlinks with 72 referring domains. Now, let's look at what keywords they're being indexed for. Okay, so this is super important. So let's just look at this one. AC repair, Naples, Florida. Now, one thing I forgot to mention on the last Ahrefs account, which was when we were reviewing yours, is that this is the volume. This is important because 200, an estimated amount of times, 200 folks are searching for this keyword every single month. Okay, and there's different keywords that you should be ranking for as well, like air conditioner repair, AC repair Naples, you see that? But let's just take this keyword and type it into Google and see what we see. Okay, so AC repair Naples, Florida. Right away, what I'm looking at is I'm looking at this section here. This is your Google Ads or your Google Guarantee section. And basically what that means is these companies, they're paying to be on this section. So anytime you click on them or call them, they're gonna get a charge, what is called a cost per click. Okay. Now the second thing I want to show you, which this is the same, these are all Google Ads. The second thing I want to show you is this section. So this is the Google Business Profile. The reason why it's my favorite, because 30 to 40% of calls come from this section. Now, some of the ways to increase your rankings is, one, get more reviews. Okay, respond to your reviews, to these type of reviews. Optimize your content, and then also optimize your photos. The last thing I want to show is the organic listings, meaning that these companies that are being showcased here, they're not paying for Google Ads. They're just organically being ranked by Google based on their performance of their website. Now, we see Yelp as number one. We see JP Brett and Sons Air Conditioning, which is these guys here. That's why I chose them, because they're ranked number two. We got Conditioned Air. We got Speedy Air Conditioning, Cool Today, Cool Zone, and then we got Get Pure Air, right? A lot of folks, they're going to just be able to call the ones that are on the Google My Business page or the ones that are down here. Anyhow, these are just some of the things that I wanted to show you guys as far as where you're currently stacking up against your competition, some things that you guys could be doing to outbeat them and be ranked higher and get more volume of calls, which is obviously going to translate to more business. So if you guys have any questions as to how you can do this, please let me know, or maybe how I can help you guys get this started. Please let me know. I'm more than happy to help you guys. But if you decide, you know what, Sisco, this was great information, but I'm going to take this information and do it myself, no harm, no foul, just let me know via email. You can always give me a call or text me at 509-949-9300. Thank you for your time, and we will talk to you guys soon.